What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another hiking vlog video. Today, I am at Piney Falls Trail in Tennessee. I forgot what city this is. I don't see it, but I'm doing Piney Falls Trail. So it's gonna be another waterfall. It's gonna be exciting. So it just snowed. It actually snowed like crazy the past 2 days, at least where I lived, but I don't know about over here. It looks a lot less snowier than where I live. I'm a little bit more west of where I live, so it makes sense because the storm didn't really go this far west, but there's still some snow on the ground. So it's gonna be cool, gonna be exciting, gonna see some cool waterfall views, but yeah, let's get into it. So, starting out, one thing I noticed, already walking, that it's really quiet here. Like, listen. Super quiet, but beautiful scenery. All right, little update. I'm almost halfway there already, but it is quiet here. It is so quiet. You can hear everything. It's a beautiful day though. Clear blue skies, sun's out, snow on the ground. Beautiful. Heading down right now, almost to the falls. I can hear them. I can hear them. Cool little trail here. Look at these crazy icicles. What? Crazy. All right, so I'm heading down, but there's been so many cool, like, little icicles to look at. But we're heading down. There's this big old sign that said that is not the trail, but you can see the icicles back there. Crazy. Alright. So parking here, we're going back down this way. We made it to the first fall, and this is crazy. Look at the ice. Crazy. This is crazy. Okay, so update. I spent about at least 30 minutes trying to figure out a way to the bottom, but of the lower falls, but I can't find one. And a lot of it's pretty slippery. There's icicles everywhere. I just can't find the trail. I don't think there is a trail to the bottom, to be honest. So we're just gonna go to the upper falls and look at that one. But man, it's hot. It's like 29 degrees, but I'm sweating. All my layers. Whew. Okay. Onward we go. Kind of scary. These are big ass icicles. Well, I'm not directly under them, but they're huge. Look at that. Unbelievable. All right, I just slipped and ate it right now. This shit is so slippery, so I gotta walk very carefully because I almost slipped off the mountain, and it's not that far. So, luckily I caught myself. This is crazy. Yeah. Luckily I didn't go down the lower falls because I could die. It's slippery, icy, a little dangerous. But, ooh, shit. Crazy. Make sure you have 3 points of contact at all times. To the falls. The icicles are falling down. It's crazy. So I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm pretty close to underneath the waterfall. There's frozen icicles behind me. But I was trying to go over that way, but it's all icy. Like I just slipped right now. I almost slipped down there. So I'm gonna play it safe and smart and just stay right here. Like it doesn't look icy, but it's slippery, but it is. I just hate it right here. So damn, I wanted to go underneath the waterfall, but it doesn't look like that's gonna happen today. It's okay. It's okay. Rather stay warm, have our lives, than fall into the ice and yeah. Yeah, this place is it's beautiful. The waterfalls are awesome. I wish I could have got to the lower part of the lower falls, but I don't know where that's at. And I guarantee you it's probably slippery because this is super slippery. Like, I don't even want to get close to the edge because I might slip. Like, it is slick. So I'm just gonna call it and start heading back, but definitely this waterfall hike I'm gonna come back to because it's beautiful. And it's just crazy, the big ass icicles hanging down from the cliff side, the bluff side. And then you got the waterfall right here. It's absolutely beautiful. Definitely recommend it for the wintertime. Just make sure that you got stuff to keep your traction because it is slippery. But let's start heading back. And yeah, let's go. All right, made it back into the car. Yeah, that was a fantastic hike. Overall, the hike was amazing. Piney Falls State Natural Area, the falls, super cool. Just super slick and icy. That was crazy. Like, I almost slipped and fell off the mountain. It was crazy. Absolutely wild. But we're okay. But let's go ahead, drive over there, and see some cool views. So let's go.